Go on your CPA affiliate network and find the offer to promote. Then download this image to your desktop. Then copy this link here, upload the image on this website here, paste link here where it says URL, and make $20 per hour with CPA marketing. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. I'm here on Cpagrip, but you can use any CPA affiliate network that you want. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote offer from United Kingdom. So here in countries, I will search for United Kingdom. And let's just say category, email and zip submit. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to copy my Cpagrip affiliate ID. That is important. And let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this offer here. Get your iPhone 14 now. And I need to paste that affiliate ID here. And this is my Cpagrip affiliate link now. I need to copy that and I need to paste that here in Notepad because I'm going to need that later. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a bridge page. And for that, I'm going to use Google Sites. So let's just say, for example, I will name that funny GIFs. So what I need to do next is I actually need to go on Google, and here in search bar, I need to search something, for example, like iPhone memes, because I am promoting iPhone CPA offer. And then click here on images, and then simply click here on tools, and then type and click here on GIF. And here you can find GIFs, meme GIFs of iPhone 14 or iPhone in this case. So what you need to do, you need to find some interesting GIF. For example, let's just say this one here. This looks like an interesting GIF and funny GIF, okay? So what you need to do, you need to do right click here and then you need to click here on copy image address, okay? Click here, copy image address, go back on Google Sites and then click here on images and then click here select and then click here link and paste that link here. Give it a second to actually pull that image from Google Images. Click here and then click here insert image, okay? And you can actually make this larger, just like this, okay? And now I need to add my call to action, so I already prepared that, so I will simply copy this. And here I actually need to click here on T for text. I need to paste that and I'm actually going to make this to be bigger. Let's just say, for example, 30, okay? And I will make that to be bold, okay? And now I actually need to add my Cpagrip affiliate link. So let me just copy this, okay? Control C. And now I need to highlight this. Click on this little chain, paste that here, click apply, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. So all I have to do now is just click here on publish and click here on publish. And when I click here on this little arrow and then click here view published website, this is how my website actually looks. And this is my GIF, this is my call to action, okay? Really simple, really easy, literally anybody can make a bridge page like this in just 5 minutes. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to copy this link to my bridge page, okay? And I need to paste that here in Notepad because I'm going to need that. And also you need to download this GIF to your desktop, okay? And next thing we need to do, we actually now need to start promoting our bridge page where we have our Cpagrip, in this case, affiliate link. And let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. Here you can see this website is getting 27 million visits every month. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their visitors are coming from tier 1 countries. And the website I'm talking about is actually called Giphy. Now you need to create a free account on Giphy, and here you can see people are uploading different kind of GIFs, funny GIFs, political GIFs, entertaining GIFs, celebrity GIFs, stuff like that on this website. And like I said, you need to create a free account, and after that just click here on upload and then choose here GIF, choose file, and then let me just choose desktop. This is the image. And here you actually need to click on public because you wish to be this GIF to be public so anybody can see this GIF. Add tags, so just say, for example, iPhone, okay, iPhone, and press enter, and you will add, of course, more tags related to your CPA offer to your GIF, actually related to your GIF. And here it says source URL. What you need to do, you actually need to copy this link to your Google sites where you actually created your bridge page, and you need to paste that here. Click here on save, and that's it. And like I said, you need to add more tags. I added just one tag, and all you have to do now is just click here on upload to Giphy, and you will upload this image here, this GIF here, to Giphy. And you will start getting views. People will start clicking on your link to see the source of this GIF. Now, to be honest with you, with just one image, with just one GIF, you probably won't get that much traffic. So what you need to do, you simply need to go back here, and you need to find more iPhone, in this case, iPhone related memes and GIFs. You need to find GIFs, meme GIFs, because like I said, funny stuff works the best on Giphy. And you need to upload 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 of these GIFs, in this case iPhone GIFs, on this bridge page that you created in Google Sites, and you need to upload each of those GIFs separately on Giphy. And if you upload 30, 40, 50 of those GIFs, trust me, you will start getting traffic. At least one of your GIFs will start going viral, and it will probably get tens of thousands of views, and you will probably start getting hundreds, maybe even thousands of clicks on your link, on the source URL, and that is your Google Sites, where you added your affiliate Cpagrip, in this case affiliate link. And like I said, people will start clicking here, and they will start signing up, and they will start submitting their emails, and you will start making money with Cpagrip and CPA marketing. As you can see, this method is really simple, really easy. Literally only thing that you need to do is just invest some time and invest some work, and you can make money with CPA marketing even if you are absolute beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.